The Alliance for an Energy Efficient Economy (AEEE) has undertaken a visionary project titled Electrification of Fleet Transport in the Himalayas, which is set to serve as a transformative initiative, paving the way for a brighter future and catalyzing positive change in the region. This initiative primarily targets the northeast region, encompassing Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura. With a keen recognition of the region's abundant natural splendor and tourism potential, the project integrates the tourism sector, the existing policy frameworks, and vehicle registrations into its comprehensive research and implementation plans.
MG has started this EV, electric vehicle, like in India almost 3 years back. So as of now, we are doing good in the business, and people are showing interest in this. And particularly in Northeast, we are getting very good response from Meghalaya. Even the Chief Minister bought one car from us. So this shows that the leadership is also interested in giving the message that go into green mobility. So my sincere thanks to AEEE and Air Trust for collaborating with us for this noble cause. And we are coming with some cars which are specially designed for the hilly terrains like Shillong or Idol City, where there are narrow lanes, and these cars you can easily drive in. These are very, very, very powerful and very easy to drive in. So they are already in negotiation with the Ministry of Transport and the government of Meghalaya for bringing up commercial vehicles and engaging particularly the female drivers for the same. So this is a very good idea, and we are always eager to participate in this noble cause.
The AEEE also announced the workshops and roadshows to be held across Shillong city in order to educate the public on the benefits of the electric vehicles and also to ensure livelihood opportunities for female entrepreneurs and young people of Meghalaya through the e-mobility project.
So what we are doing as a collaboration is we are anticipating the future and we're preparing for the future. And how do we prepare for the future? We've been hearing so much about unemployment, opportunities, livelihood opportunities for our youth. So this is a good start for us because we will get a base with the students. We just completed Don Bosco yesterday, and we are going to have another workshop for only women in Taj Vivanta tomorrow, where we will have women students and women entrepreneurs coming for a workshop to understand the technicalities of the vehicles, the market opportunities, the business models. And then we follow that up with another workshop in Nehu, which will be a combined effort between Nehu and St. Anthony's. Finally, on Friday, we have a public promotion, so that will be open. People can come, see the vehicles for themselves, take it for a test drive. This will be in PB. Currently, the vehicles are in Livelihood. So PB will be Friday. So what we're doing is we are also looking at this as an opportunity to kickstart the whole energy efficiency sector and to look at e-vehicles as that mode of change. Personally, I drove the EV vehicle for the first time yesterday. It is one smooth ride, honestly. It is one smooth ride. And it's a hassle-free ride.